for this pop-up rose card, we'll need a template. Now you can find a link to this template in the video description. Now you're going to print this out and you are going to cut your templates according to the sizes that are here. In addition to that, you can find a link to this design where you can print this out as well for the body of the card. Now once you would have cut out your templates, you would get something that looks like this. And now you're going to crease these according to the marks that are on the template. Now for each one of them, you're going to see some broken lines, so you're going to crease them according to that. Now for example here we have this first one. Now you're going to find that the broken lines are on the corners. So where those broken lines are, that's where we are going to crease this. Here, where the lines are, you do the same, here, here, and here as well. So for the first one, this is what we basically do. So our first crease is on this corner here. So we're going to crease. Then our next is on the side here. Good. Then the bottom. And we've completed our folds to the first one. Now after you would have done that, you would take scissors and you're going to curl the ends. So just slightly pull on the end with your scissors and it's going to curl back. And you'll get that. Now let's adjust this to some desired size. Now for this card, I want to cut this down to about 6 inches or so. So I've already placed those marks there. Now we're going to fold over just a little before we meet the design here. So we want to balance it out with the same space on the side here. We're going to average. Get that. Now we can start assembling the flower. So we're going to start with a larger one. Of course, we'll need glue to work with this. These two little extensions here, you want to ensure that they fall on the opposite side of where this crease is. Come with our second size. you fold this, you want this crease to align with the crease of the card and stuff.